Bitcoin Cashout, sites, top 5 you can trust. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your name and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of Bitcoin, specifically how to turn your Bitcoin into that, well, real world money we all know and love. Whether you've been in the crypto game for a while or just hopped on for that Doge ride, cashing out can feel like navigating a digital maze. That's why I'm breaking down the top 5 most reliable Bitcoin cash-out sites. We're talking security, ease of use, all that good stuff. So if you're ready to turn that Bitcoin into something you can actually spend, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into it. First up, we've got Coinbase. Now, you've probably heard of Coinbase. They're one of the biggest players in the game for a reason. What I like about Coinbase is just how straightforward the whole process is. It's super user-friendly, which is perfect, whether you're a beginner or just value a clean, simple interface. Security is obviously a major concern when we're talking about your money. And Coinbase doesn't disappoint there either. They've got robust security measures in place like two-factor authentication and FDIC insurance on your USD balance. This means your funds are protected up to $250,000 so you can cash out with peace of mind. Coinbase fees are pretty reasonable and they vary depending on your chosen cash out method and the amount you're converting. But hey, you're getting a platform that's secure, easy to use and trusted by millions. Definitely worth considering. Next up is Kraken, a name synonymous with reliability in the crypto world. Kraken has been around since 2011, which is basically forever in crypto years. They've built a solid reputation for security and have a wide range of currencies you can trade. Now, Kraken might not be as visually slick as some newer platforms, but trust me, it's what's under the hood that counts. They offer a more advanced trading experience with features like margin trading and futures contracts. If you're looking to do more than just basic trading, Kraken could be your go-to. Kraken also has some of the lowest fees in the industry, especially if you're a high-volume trader. They have a tiered fee structure, so the more you trade, the less you pay. Plus, they've got a rock-solid security track record, which is always reassuring when you're dealing with crypto. Chapter 3. Binance are the global powerhouse. Let's talk about Binance. This is the big leagues, people. Binance is one of, if not largest, cryptocurrency exchange globally, and they're known for their massive selection of coins and super competitive rates. Now, Binance might feel a little overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to this. They have a ton of features, advanced trading options, and even their own blockchain ecosystem. But don't worry, their basic buying and selling process is actually pretty straightforward. Binance has a tiered fee structure similar to Kraken, and their fees are some of the lowest in the game. They also offer a discount if you use their native token, BNB, to pay for fees. Plus, they've got a dedicated security team working around the clock to keep your funds safe. Chapter 4. Bitstamp transparency is key. Moving on to another OG in the crypto space, Bitstamp. This platform has been around since 2011 and has built a reputation for transparency and regulatory compliance. If you're someone who values trust and knowing exactly where your money is going, Bitstamp is worth checking out. They're regulated in Luxembourg, which has some of the strictest financial regulations in the world. This means they meet high standards for security and financial transparency. They've also got a really clean and easy-to-use interface, making it a good option for beginners. Bitstamp's fees are competitive, though not the absolute lowest out there, but you're paying for that peace of mind knowing you're dealing with a reputable and regulated platform. Plus, they've got a strong track record of security and have never been hacked. Chapter 5, Gemini, the Winklevoss choice. Last but not least, we've got Gemini, founded by those guys you might recognize from the Facebook days, the Winklevoss twins. Gemini is all about security and trust. They've invested heavily in security measures and regulatory compliance, making it a popular choice for institutional investors. One of the things that sets Gemini apart is their focus on user experience. They've got a really sleek and intuitive platform that's easy to navigate, even if you're new to crypto. Gemini's fees are a bit on the higher side compared to some of the other platforms on this list. However, they offer a few different trading options, including active trading and a feature called Gemini Earn, which lets you earn interest on your crypto holdings. Outro cash out with confidence, so there you have it. 5 are the most reliable Bitcoin cash-out sites out there. Each platform has its own strengths, whether it's ease of use, security, fees, or a combination of everything. The most important thing is to choose the one that best fits your needs and risk tolerance. Remember, always do your own research before putting your money into any platform. Read reviews, compare fees, and make sure you understand the risks involved. But with the right platform, cashing out your Bitcoin can be a smooth and secure experience. That's it for this video, guys. If you found this helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe for more content like this. And hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future uploads. See you in the next one.